Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned about how to create a table and adding tables in design view and how to add the fields in design view, children. Now, we can learn how to save. Okay, children? After defining all fields, save the table by clicking on the save option in the file tab. Okay, children? Or you can select the save icon in the quick access toolbar also, children. Quick access toolbar will be there in the title bar. There we can see the small icons will be there, children. In that save icon also will be. Okay, that is called the quick access toolbar. There you can click on the save icon. Then you will get a save as dialog box. There you can type the name, whatever name you want to give for that table. You just click on the give the name and then click on OK. Now to add data in the table, just switch to datasheet view. Now you want to add data in the table means you just click on switch to the datasheet view. We know now, children, how to switch the datasheet view. Go to the design, then you click on the. Our next topic is adding data in a datasheet view, children. For that, we just click on the cell below the roll number field. Okay, first field, whatever it is there, first field, you just click on the below that field. Then you will get a cursor. There you can type the roll number of the student, like 1, for example, 1, 2, 3, like that. And then press either the tab key or enter key. You can press tab or enter keys, children. If you click on the tab or enter key, it means the cursor will go to the next column, that is student name. There you can type the student name, then go to the again click on tab, then go to the class. There you can type the which class that student and all like that. Like that you can add the data in a datasheet view, children. Our next topic is deleting a field in design view, children. For that, first we should open a table, then select the row whatever you want to delete. First you select the row, children. Then in the table tools group we have delete rows option. Okay, children. In the design tab we have this one delete row option. Then after selecting the row, then you just click on this one delete rows option. Okay, children. Like this you can delete a field in the design view. Okay, children. Our next topic is deleting a field in datasheet view, children. To delete a field, we must follow some steps or some rules. The first one is, first you should select the field whatever you want to delete. Then click on its field header and then press the delete key, children. Okay, children. Or another way is there, right click on the field and select the delete field option from the menu. Okay, children. Then you just click on the right click on that field. It means you will get the options add, delete, like that. In that you just click on the delete field option. Okay, children. Then Access prompts a message to confirm the deletion. That means Access will give you a message to confirm that. Then if you want to delete, just click on yes. If not, click on no. Okay, children. Like this you can delete a field in the datasheet view. Thank you, children.